Hi there, I'm Danielle Hodges, and I'm here with Peyton the Bulldog, and we're going to work on a little behavior called Watch Me. Watch Me is a really fabulous cue that a lot of people don't think of introducing, and what it does, it allows you to get your dog to look away from a distraction and look you in the eyes. So if you're out on a walk and your dog is getting fixated on a squirrel or anything else that you might see, and you know your dog is going to become nervous and you need to get their attention away from that, then you would ask for a Watch Me and get them to turn to look at you. So let's see how Peyton does. Oh, hi. All right, so the way that we introduce the Watch Me cue is we teach a dog that rather than looking at the treat, we want them to look away from the treat and at our eyes. And as soon as they look at our eyes, we're going to reinforce them. So if I hold this treat on Peyton's nose, and then I move it away from my shoulder over here. So pretend this thing in my hand is a squirrel. Yes. The minute that she turns to look me in the eyes and actually makes eye contact, I reinforce that behavior. There's lots of things for your dog to see that are more interesting to you than you. So you've got to be the most interesting thing in the room to your dog. The temptation is to say something or to cue her, but I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to wait. Yes! Good girl. Once you get that eye contact behavior really reliably, then you can add the cue of Watch Me. So when I put the treat on her nose, I hold it out here and I say, Watch me. And then I wait. Yes. At some point, if you're patient enough, your dog will look away from the trigger and look you in the eyes. The trick is patience. A lot of people give up way too soon with this. Good job, Peyton. If you like any of those training tips, we've got plenty more over at cbc.ca/life. Come on, Peyton. You got this.